I just started with it about 4 months ago, Holly. Best thing I ever did. Best thing I ever did. All right, guys, we got AJ's and Fanatics. Jersey break. PYP. This is number 87. Last box was, I can't see Tonio's message now. Shoot. What was it? 257. That's what I got, Beef. 257. I can't see. My chat barely lasts. 257. Okay, thanks, guys. Thanks. All right, that's what I have, so we're good. All right, guys, 7 times. Good luck, everybody. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final time. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Box 266, guys. Box 266. Seven times. 266. Go ahead and just. I mean, you need to be careful on what it is, too. You don't want to just get into anything. I like Ethereum, and Ethereum's kind of my thing, but Cardano is like my secondary. Good luck, boys and girls. Here we go. Tanner Pearson for the Kings. Tana, Bana, Bovana. Tana, Bana, Bovana. Fee, fi, fo, fana. Next up, we got Bor Horvat for the Vancouver. This is one heck of a box. One heck of a box. Who is Elon, Holly? And we got a base jersey coming up. It's just base. It's just base. Seriously, it's just base. Kirill Kaprizov. Kaprizov. Caprizi. Bobeezy. Fushizi. Tonio, is that you? Do you have Krill the Thrill? Tonio's got Krill the Thrill. Shoot to Krill. Tonio, this would look good. You wear this, you put the the Caprese jersey on, and then you wear the Barkov hat. Authentic Pro Caprese, baby. But you gotta be careful getting any sweat in the hat. It's hand number to 10, bro. All right, so Horvat, we know Tonio has the Caprese. Dennis L has the Horvat. This is 86, right? This break, 86. Oh, no, it's 87. Going to Jason. Nice hit, Jay, on the bow. All right, see who has the Tanner. Wait a minute. Tanner Pearson is Dennis L. Let me double check Horvat real quick. Yeah, Horvat was right. Okay. Dennis L with Tanner Pearson. Yep, Dennis L. Tanner Pearson. I will show you the Siberian Sniper. Dennis, that's right. Dennis the Menace. All right, Tonio wants to see this bad boy. It's just base, Tonio. That's all it is. Seriously, bro, it's just base. You want to see a base jersey. There you go, bro hand. It's just base. Bro, calm down, space. Seriously, space.